Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's constantly battling dry, damaged hair, and you're looking for a product that promises to heal and restore shine, you're in the right place today. I've been testing out ANZA's Keratin Healing Oil Lustrous Shampoo, and let's just say it's been a ride. This is a sulfate-free shampoo designed to boost shine, strengthen, and repair damaged hair while preventing frizz. So, how well does it actually work? Let's get into it. First things first, this shampoo promises to do a lot: repair damage, boost shine, and prevent frizz. It's designed for all types of damaged hair, so whether you're dealing with dryness, over-processed strands, or just general wear and tear, this shampoo claims to be your solution. And it doesn't just stop at repairing. It also protects hair health by infusing keratin, an essential protein that helps rebuild the structure of your hair. That's a major selling point, especially for those who've been through countless rounds of styling and heat damage. ANZA's formula is sulfate-free, which is a must for anyone with color-treated or delicate hair. Sulfates can strip natural oils, leaving your hair feeling dry and brittle. So right off the bat, this shampoo has a leg up for people looking to preserve their hair's moisture and color. In terms of texture, it's a smooth, lightweight liquid that lathers up surprisingly well for a sulfate-free shampoo. I found that it worked into my hair easily, rinsing out clean without leaving any residue. It has a subtle, natural scent, not too overpowering, which I appreciate. I'm not big on heavily fragranced products, so this was a win for me. When it comes to performance, I tested it under different conditions: morning and evening routines, after swimming, and on days when my hair had been styled with heat. The results? My hair felt softer and smoother after just one use. The real test came after continued use, though. Over time, my hair seemed more manageable, and I did notice less frizz, even in humid conditions. It also didn't weigh my hair down, which can be a problem with other moisturizing shampoos. Now for the pros. This shampoo really excels in its ability to hydrate and smooth. I could see a noticeable difference in the health of my hair after about a week of using it. The scent is light but fresh, and the fact that it's sulfate-free makes it gentle on the hair and scalp. It's also versatile, good for all hair types that need repair. On the flip side, one downside is that it might not provide the deep, rich lather some people prefer, especially if you're used to shampoos that foam up a lot. It can also be a bit on the pricier side, but considering the quality ingredients and the results, it could be worth the investment if your hair is particularly damaged. So, is it worth the money? At its price point, I'd say it's a solid choice if you're specifically looking for something that will help heal and restore dry, damaged hair. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are other options that might do the job, but they might not have the same high-end feel or keratin infusion that ANZA offers. In terms of build quality, the bottle is sturdy and sleek, and I love that it's a new design. It feels premium, which is fitting for the brand. You get 8.5 felt-outs of product, which lasts for a decent amount of time, depending on how often you wash your hair. I haven't had to contact customer support, but I've heard good things about ANZA's reputation for handling inquiries swiftly and professionally. Now, as for alternatives, if you're in the market for something similar but a bit more affordable, you could try the OGX Healing Plus Vitamin E Shampoo. It doesn't have quite the same keratin-heavy formula, but it still helps hydrate and protect your hair while being more budget conscious. To sum it up, ANZA's Keratin Healing Oil Lustrous Shampoo does live up to its claims. It's a fantastic choice for those with dry or damaged hair, offering deep hydration, frizz control, and protection. However, if you're looking for something more affordable or with a stronger lather, there are alternatives. Still, if you're willing to splurge, your hair will thank you for it. If this review has helped you decide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more honest reviews like this one. Your support really helps us keep bringing you the best beauty tips and product insights. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.